Early bird gets the worm. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning, and for the past couple of mornings, I've been inspired to do Early Bird Gets the Worm. So, coming from my spirit, I want to speak to us as a whole, to encourage us, to just motivate us to hold on. It's like the dust is settling. The rocky waves are about to come to calm waters. We're about to see the light at the end of the tunnel. We're getting ready and starting to experience the treasure at the end of the rainbow. And as earlier through the week, it's like the Most High was saying, it's the difference between expecting and waiting. This is something that we expect, we know, and it's just the greatness of the expectancy for it to be right in our immediate eyesight. God is good, so very good, so good. And I just want to give you thanks, coming to the Creator, the universe, the angels, the ancestors, coming in the presence of holiness, of goodness, of love, coming as one, coming as the representative of the whole as one. We love you. We appreciate you. We're thankful, so very thankful. And we are looking forward to the beauty unfolding of our life expectancy. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you.